What's going on, guys? It's your boy Frost, aka me, and I'm back with a brand new video. Right now we're on the way to
Ricecomb's house to film a prank.
Ooh, and I got my boy Leor too.
Wait, what prank are we doing?
I don't know. We'll think about it. All right, but we're on the way, so we're in the Uber, and we'll see you guys when we're close by or when we're there. Fuck it, whatever. What's going on? Oh, I already started the intro, but right now we're at Ricecomb's house, right there, as you can see. It's still going out, but no one's home, so I think we're just gonna go hiking on this like mountain. We're gonna try to see like an upper view of the fucking house. And there's a security looking at me, and I'm like weirded out. My two buddies are right there. And we're gonna try to climb this hill and see above the Clout house. That's gonna be lit. But I'm not doing this for any purposes because I also have a friend that lives in the Clout house. So yeah. But we're gonna climb the hill right now. So I'll see you guys when we're like midway or above. Guys, look at the view. It's so nice. We're climbing right now. This is our progress from the house. Trying to climb that. We're walking. They ditched me.
Ew.
That's disgusting. Guys, look at this view. Damn.
I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm with you.
I'm censoring this. Oh my god. But this is not the hill. If you guys think this is the hill, you guys are crazy. That's the Hollywood.
Oh, hey, Hollywood sign, right?
Hey, let me zoom in on that. My G Fuel fill. We're chilling. The thing is still there. But guys, we found a deer.
Alright guys, if you can't see it, there's a deer right there. I think you can see it. Oh, it's right there.
Yoy.
Hey!
Hey, yo!
You know where Ricecomb's house is?
He answered. Yo!
Go in there.
Faggot. Alright guys, so we're just chilling right here. We're in front of the Clout house. And the security's nice. And we're just chilling. We just saw T up, but I don't think anyone's home right now. When the security leaves, I'm gonna try to sneak in or something. But yeah.
You're not sneaking in.
I am gonna sneak in. I'm gonna
Yeah,
take
are you
some.
gonna let him sneak in?
Yeah. All right.
The worst straight from Mexico. Got it for
Hi guys, right now we just ate pizza, and what is it called? We are right now at Supreme, as you can see in the background. Rip and Dip Ape. We are heading. We ordered an Uber right now to round 2. I'll bleep that out. I'll bleep it out. I just burped, and I'll see you guys at round 2. I'll do some cool, cool montage, and yeah, peace. Alright guys, so we're in round 2 right now. And what are you popping right now?
Nothing.
He's like debating on revenge vans, the red revenge vans, and we both don't have money.
These are so B. Why are they selling them? Look at
How much?
all those marks, 350.
Let's get them.
No, but look at that mark. These are so big.
These are so nice. Alright, so I'm probably gonna head out home, but I think I'm gonna end my video here. If not, then I'll put in like one more clip. But anyways, I'll see you guys later.